It's a beautiful morning down here at Rocky Fork. Getting ready to start work. Thought I'd go for a little walk around the cabins. This is the Captain's Circle. Let's go up the hill and see what we have. See what's going on. We just left our cottage, which is L100 here on the end. Just do a little quick video up here. It's kind of quiet at the moment. So in total there's 7 cabins up here. I believe they sleep 6 or 8. It's all pretty decent size. They all do have a deck off the back. Most of them go into a row of trees. Some are pet friendly, as this one is here, clearly marked. So if you have pets, they do have options. Looks like they definitely need to do some weed trimming. A couple more down this way. In the center here they have a little island, and they have cornhole set up in here if you want to play some cornhole. So an old set of cornhole boards. I thought it'd be nice to have a fire pit up here, just as like a communal fire pit, because I brought a ton of wood. I was thinking if they had a fire pit, I would definitely have been open to just have a fire up here and just see who comes up here and visits. Just to be nice to meet some people. So Rocky Fork, if you see this, maybe put a fire pit in the middle of this. Maybe you did it one time and nobody ever used it. So it goes 100 to 700. This is the other end here. These do have the umbrella on the deck, which ours does not have a umbrella. So nice little feature there. They all have gas grills, as you saw in my other video. But there you go. Quick little rundown of Captain's Circle over here at Rocky Fork Ranch. It's a beautiful day today. Cooling off a little bit. It's been so hot. Well, if anybody sees this and you've stayed at one of these Captain's Circle cabins, leave a comment. How did you like it? How long did you stay? Did you do anything fun? Lots to see. Alright. Heading back. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.